This airplane, along with all those other airplanes, about 825 C-47s took off on June 5, 1945, the night before what we call D-Day now. And they were loaded with these paratroopers. 825 C-47s took off. This airplane crossed the beach number 50, right at the pointy end of the invasion, dropping 19 82nd Airborne troops on a little town called Saint-Mère-Église, just outside of Normandy. Went back without a scratch. Got 19 more 82nd Airborne troops and made a second trip. Went back without a scratch. This time they went back and pulled 2 gliders behind them loaded with infantry and ammo and deployed them over Normandy, where they glided to the ground and deployed their troops. So the airplane I'm standing in front of today, our flagship, the Tycho Bell, made 3 trips on Normandy on D-Day.